But only when God created a human, God says, let's make us in our own image. In chapter 1st, God says, let's make us a man on our own image. And then chapter 2, Bible says God took a mud, a soul, and created a man. It's mean in first chapter, God created a human spirit. Why I said that? Because if we say God is like us because we are of God's image, so then we have to think, is God really a man or woman? What do you think? God is a female or man? If God is a man, because he said, I am, so I am, it's look like God, more like talk like a man, so then we think, did God have a mustache?